Hi, this is Victor. Today I'm going to explain the $1,000,000 bill trick. I use these $1,000,000 bills in my advertising. It has my business name on it. It has my phone number, 661-JUSTICE. My primary webpage, helpgettingoff.com, which mostly concerns criminal defense and information for pro per defendants. So here's the trick. Here's how it works. First, I'll do the performance. So what I do is I blow on the money, and it sounds like it's tearing. I'm not sure if the microphone's picking that up right, but as I make it sound like it's tearing, I quickly fold it over, and then people will actually think that I'm tearing it, and the trick looks something like this. Then after I have completely folded it up, I just slowly and dramatically unfold it. And then I'm always careful to hand it to someone so that they can see that there are no scraps of paper. Okay, that's the performance. Here's the real secret. The secret is all of the paper, I leave a little bit out so that I can pull it out easier. All the paper goes into a thumb tip. The thumb tip only goes on my finger a little bit. If you look up there or down there or somewhere on this same page, there is a link to another thumb tip trick. I start out the trick with a folded up $1,000,000 bill in my hand like this. And the rest of the trick is self-explanatory once you know that part. I pretend that I'm blowing on it. Well, I actually do blow on it, but I pretend that blowing on it has some effect. And it does sound like it's tearing it. And I give this misdirection explanation that I'm folding it up very quickly. And I'm careful to keep the thumb tip and the $1,000,000 bill hidden in my hand while I show this one. And then I actually do tear it while pretending that I'm blowing and folding. And after I finish folding it up, I put it into the thumb tip. There it is. Okay, and then I unfold the other one, keeping the thumb tip hidden behind my hand. I can tilt my hand down by keeping the thumb tip behind my hand. When I open this up, keeping the thumb tip hidden all the time, and then eventually it's hidden by the $1,000,000 bill. When I hand it to someone, they take it, I withdraw my hand, keeping it pointing at their eye, not letting them see it from the side like this, I withdraw my hand, and while they're looking at the $1,000,000 bill, I just simply ditch it in the thumb tip in my pocket. And that's how the $1,000,000 bill trick works. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, especially please like my web pages, share. I've got a lot of good information to help pro per defendants and indigent defendants and other litigants. So please like, share. Thank you.